كذلك لنثبت به فؤادك ورتلناه ترتيلا.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are my brothers and sisters? Welcome to my channel Read the Quran Salam. My name is Qari Muhammad Owais bin Al-Arshad and I am from Pakistan. But at the moment I live in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. I am an online Quran teacher. I have 3 years of experience online teaching with my students. At the moment my students are UK, USA, UEA and Pakistan and Oman and Saudi Arabia and other countries. If you also want to learn Quran online, Alhamdulillah, I can speak English, Arabic, Urdu, Punjabi. Please book a trial lesson now. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
كذلك لنثبت به فؤادك